There are so many people in the world today who still do not know nothing about credit, or some who are just simply taught the wrong information on credit. I published a new book to help all of those people out there in the world who struggle not knowing anything about credit to be able to get this book, read it, and within just a few days, learn everything they need to know about personal or business credit scores. I kept this book super short that goes straight to the point. There's chapters in this book that outlines what are credit scores, how is credit used, why is it important, how can it help you financially or destroy you financially, how to make money by having good credit scores, how to repair your credit if it's not the best, and for those who own small businesses, there's a chapter in this book that outlines everything you need to know step by step on how to build business credit to get funding for your business. Again, I kept this book super short. It is very easy to read. You can give this book to just about any young adult out there in the world, and it almost feels like I'm talking to you one-on-one when you're reading it. That's the point and main reason why I made this book. There are so many credit books out there in the market today. They're like 500 pages thick. Most of the information in those books are outdated, and they're just a bunch of copy and paste information or outdated information that people just found on the internet that is incorrect. So pick up this book. You can order it on Amazon. There's 2 copies of this book. There's the paperback version, which is right here in front of you, and then there's also the ebook version on Amazon for those who don't want the physical copy and just want to read it off of your phone. So I made this book super easy to read, and like I said, the average person can just pick up this book and learn everything they need to know just within a few days of reading it. If this video helped you, be sure to like it, comment, share it, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching.